Hey bunnies, it's early in the morning, so I'm trying to be as quiet as possible because everybody is still sleeping, but I had to come on and film this video for you. What we're going to be talking about is my hair right now. And I did a video similar to this already, and it was the same ombre, but it was a blonde ombre, like a 27 or a 30, somewhere like that. It's the same concept, but I feel like, I wanted to come on and talk about my gray hair experience. I used 10 packs of hair. It was $2.99 per pack that I bought mine at my local beauty supply store. This was my first time seeing this brand in the store, and they had like a bunch of different colors: blue, purple, green. They had, I think, yellow and the silver, and I was just like, yeah, that's the one for me. So how they have it is that it starts blended like a gray and black mix all the way down to like a certain part, and then the ends of it is completely silver. It looks almost white. I absolutely love it. Now when I dipped my ends in the hot water, which I always do after I braid, I don't burn, I dip. After I dipped it in the hot water, I put mousse on there just to tame down any frizziness or anything like that. The mousse made it this yellowy looking color. Mind you, the mousse itself was pure white. There was no added color to it, to the mousse itself. So when it looked kind of dirty in it. Like right now on camera you don't see it, but in person it has this off color to me anyways, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. So I would say be careful of the mousse you use. If anything, the one I used was the Tresemme something styling mousse. I don't know, that's what I used on mine. I of course did a faux lock. This is going to be my new signature whenever I do braids. Throw a faux lock in there, and I wrapped it with silver jewelry because I love braid accessories. And I was like, all right, the hair is already gray, like what can I put on there for it to not look over the top dramatic? I could probably do some color, but the colored clips I prefer in like curly hair. Like if I'm wearing like a big curly wig, that's what I prefer putting the colored clips on, not necessarily my braids. Except when I do faux locks. When I did the short bob faux locks thing, the red, yellow, green, loved that. Took the silver string and wrapped it along my one little faux lock right here. And I had a pack of Marley hair, and I literally used 2.5 strands of the Marley hair to wrap this one braid. It was one full braid, and then I wrapped it and then just cut the little ends off of it so that it looked more natural. So like I said, I used 10 packs of hair. It took me, I want to say, like 5.5 to 6 hours to do my entire head. I think I did them big. People are telling me they're kind of small. Other people are saying it's too big. So I want to say it's probably like a medium size. I absolutely love this size. I feel like if I did it smaller, it would have been too much. If I did it bigger, it wouldn't have been enough. I feel like this quantity of braids, I didn't count them though. That's the thing, I didn't count my braids. I think this quantity is perfect. How I did the front is that I'm able to do a center part or a side part like I have it right now, and I love it. There aren't enough words to say how much I love it. What other questions could you possibly ask me? I told you how many packs, I told you how long it took, I showed you my faux lock. The only jewelry I have is this. I did try to put jewelry in the back ones. I wasn't feeling it. I was going to faux lock the back one, wanted to actually see it when I looked in the mirror because I love my faux lock. I did say that I was going to keep this in for like another 3 weeks and then lock the whole thing, but I really want to wash my hair, and even though I can wash my hair with braids, I don't like washing my hair with braids. I really don't. I feel like I don't get to like really get in there, so no, I'm not gonna do that. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. I can't think of anything else you could possibly ask me. There was nothing, I can't even think of the word. There's nothing extraordinary that I did that I haven't done before, that you haven't seen me do before. Oh, when I was actually braiding it, I didn't use rubber bands for one, because the last time I did rubber bands, it made my scalp really itchy. And then for two, I used the Kiss edge control, the one for braiding, comes in a purple jar. I used that instead of the regular Shine and Jam. Of the two, probably the shine and jam is a little bit better. I don't know. Honestly, I didn't see a huge difference, but yeah. And then with the rubber bands, as opposed to not using the rubber bands keep it nice and tight for a lot longer. I've literally had this in for exactly 1 week now, and my braids are just not relaxed. Up until, you know, a couple days ago, it was still tight, it was still, you know, whatever. So if the rubber band thing is not for you, no need to fear, you don't have to use rubber bands, okay? We were fine before it came in, we'll be fine when it goes out. All right. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.